Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Wanted to do a video on BevCanna. I've talked about a lot of MJ companies here on the channel. Haven't covered this one yet. There's a lot of good information about it. You can see what it's kind of done here over the last year. Could have gone into it 19 cents, 16 cents. Kind of went down, kind of like some of the other ones over the last month here. Looks like it did hit $1.18, 84 cents on the low of 77, and here's kind of what it's done today. So this one's kind of up and down all over the place. Stays about in the 80-cent range and tries to get up to the 90-cent range. I don't own any of this one currently. I'm looking to get into it. I've had this one on my radar and just haven't pulled the trigger on it, but I'll show you a couple different catalysts why I'm interested in it. This one trades over the counter, so you cannot get this one on Robinhood. If you're looking to get a different platform outside of Robinhood, I have several links in the description, whether it be Webull, Moomoo, Doe, or Firstrade. You can get a free stock on all those, and that also helps out the channel. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me. That really helps out the YouTube algorithm and gets the videos out to other people. And if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as the bell, so you're notified of when my next videos drop. So again, this one's over the counter. I always recommend Fidelity. They don't charge a commission. If you can't get it on Fidelity, they're a little bit more conservative. You can get it on TD Ameritrade. You're going to pay about $6.95 there. But got a lot of information to go over here, so I'll kind of trying to go over it quick here. BevCanna solidifies partnership with Nextleaf to manufacture high-quality THC and CBD infused beverages, and that's the whole catalyst behind this one. This is dated on March 9th. Announced today that is a supply agreement with the innovative MJ processor Nextleaf Solutions, and there's their ticker. Will have the ability to utilize Nextleaf rapid emulsion technology by oils, THC and CBD concentrate within the select BevCanna in-house and white label products. Made with Nextleaf's high purity MJ distillate, Rapid's unique structure and composition allows the final ingredients to be fundamentally tasteless, odorless, and achieve optimal transparency through uniform and complete dispersion in water. 10 years of prior R&D has resulted in a patent-pending emulsion technology adapted to MJ to deliver rapid onset of THC, CBD, and other MJ. And feel free to pause and read the rest there for yourself, or else you can go straight to the source on Business Wire, and you can find the information there. This kind of goes over a little bit about Nextleaf. They're an innovative MJ processor that owns one of the largest portfolios of the United States patents for extraction, distillation, and delivery of MJ. BevCanna partners with Nextleaf to produce THC and CBD infused beverages. Kind of the same information, just kind of a more condensed, simplified version. Here you can see the two different tickers, if you're interested in those. Stigma Grow announces sales license partnership to launch BevCanna portfolio of MJ infused beverages and products, and this is just dated yesterday. They are pleased to announce that they are formed a partnership with beverage and natural products company BevCanna Enterprises to launch the award-winning Keef brands, and this is another brand, a line of MJ infused beverages across Canada, along with BevCanna's in-house and white label client products under Stigma Grow's sales license. Stigma Grow. And you can find this on Markets Insider. And feel free to pause and read the rest there for yourself, because I got more information to go over here. Back to Yahoo Finance. BevCanna announces sales license partnership to launch MJ-infused beverages across Canada. And this is dated again today. So lots of information coming out here about BevCanna. I've been hearing more and more about them in regards to the Keef brands. This is kind of some of the same information, but found on Yahoo Finance. So go ahead and pause and read the rest there for yourself. But they have a wide array of BHO, butane hash oil, MJ concentrate products. Partnership streamlined with BevCanna. So lots of good information coming out about them. That's why I've been looking into them, and looks like it's perfect timing that I put off the video, because they have some information just coming out yesterday. This is their actual website. White label manufacturing brand, white label MJ-infused drinks, beverages, and here's all the different flavors. Cultivation, technology, manufacturer, brands. I'm not going to go into all the brands just for sake of time on the video. You can actually go to www.bevcanna.com and find all this information. Sourcing, production, packaging, and logistics. Naturally alkaline bottled at source. So, kind of a pretty detailed website. I like the website. They have a lot of good information here. Like I said, just for sake of time on the video, there's too much to go into, but moving on. Reddit, there's a little bit of information here in the last month. 12 days, therapy reports record monthly revenue. And like I've said with some of the other MJ companies, if you look at these and hold them over the long run, they have to go up eventually. So, I mean, I'm just being optimistic, speculating about them. But right here, 12 days ago, appoints former PepsiCo executive as president. That's got to say something for the company. Back to stock twits. And this is kind of interesting and something you have to think about. Nobody is worried about big peer companies and Constellation brand taking the space and not leaving much left over, but there's all kinds of drinks, there's all kinds of drink companies, there's Coke, there's Pepsi, there's Fizz, there's all kinds. I mean, if you're going to get into the space, there's going to be competition, so just one way that I look at it. Only good news, bullish. We should not be red, bullish. But again, just like the MJ companies, you have to keep in the back of your mind that the big tobacco could go in and just buy them out at any time. Just as I've pointed out on some other MJ videos that British tobacco is into them. So here's some information. Launched the Keef Brands award-winning MJ-infused beverages across Canada, as well as BevCanna in-house and white label client products. We kind of already went over that. Partnership. So lots of good news out about this one. Of course, there's nothing on tip ranks. Here's just an article about MJ Beverage market projected to witness vigorous expansion, and that's why I'm optimistic about it, from 2020 to 2027. So, I mean, as the MJ companies and states become legalized, I think the drinks are going to be picking up. Here's just another article, MJ Beverage Market Analysis 2020 to 2028 by size, share, emerging trends, top key players, future growth, revenue analysis, demand. This is dated on the 15th, just a month ago. So feel free to pause and go over this article yourself. But the MJ Beverage Market is projected to witness a CAGR of more than 15% over the period 2020 to 2028. Among the product type segmentation, the non-alcoholic beverages segment holds the top market share owing to the growing demand for smoke-free MJ, growing awareness about the medical impact of MJ and the explicit health conditions, and legalization of MJ usage for medical and recreational purposes in many countries. So there is some people out there that just want the drink. They don't want the smoke. They want a smoke-free MJ. MJ Beverage Market is segmented into 5 major regions, including North America, Europe, Asia, Pacific, Latin America, and Middle East and Africa region. So it's going to be all over the place, just like MJ will at some point. Demand for wellness drinks among end users. So this is why I get into a lot of these position stocks, because it's just endless. It's sky's the limit, if you will. So here's just another article showing you the potential. Molson Coors aims to create mass CBD brand with Veryvel. So a lot of them are getting into it. I believe Constellation Brands is in it. Here it shows Anheuser-Busch. In Bevland, it's MJ Partner. This is a little bit older, but still just trying to give you some examples. Here's Constellation Brands. So just something to think about. Tilray I've talked about on the channel here a lot. I've heard a lot about Novartis, Anheuser-Busch. BevCanna provides outlook on strategic evolution to global health and wellness company, and this is just dated on the 2nd. We are creating a diversified health and wellness company with 55 million plus in assets and a global multi-channel sales and distribution network positioned for growth. And so, like I said, even if the big players like Molson, Constellation gets in, there's still going to be people that like the BevCanna drinks. Like I said, there's just all kinds of brands of drinks. If you go down the aisle in Walmart, there's Coke, there's Pepsi, there's the off-brands, there's the Sam's Choice, there's just all kinds. So there's enough market space to go around once all this catches on. So, but this is found on BevCanna.com press. And that is all that I have for BevCanna. I haven't tried purchasing this one yet. I might try pulling the trigger on it. It looks like it's going down. I might put in a buy order for about 80 cents and see what happens. And I'll be doing some more research on this one and try to keep you updated on this one. If you have this one, go ahead and leave it in the comments. That would be interesting to know how many shares you have and what your cost basis is and what your thoughts are on this one. But I'm liking the looks of this one. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing. That would really help out the channel, and I thank you for all the support. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.